Imagine a world where machines aren't just defending us from cyber threats, they're actually better at hacking than the world's top cybersecurity experts. That world isn't science fiction anymore, it's happening right now. And the star of this breakthrough is not a human, but an AI model. A new artificial intelligence model has just made headlines by outperforming seasoned cybersecurity experts in professional hacking competitions. This isn't a story about a lab experiment or a theoretical project. This is real, and it's sending shockwaves through the tech and defense industries alike. The model in question is called Claude, developed by Anthropic, a leading AI research company. Claude was recently tested against human teams in a series of highly challenging capture-the-flag-style hacking competitions, things like reverse engineering malware, patching vulnerabilities, and cracking into digital systems. These tasks usually require deep technical knowledge, years of hands-on experience, and razor-sharp intuition. Yet Claude didn't just keep up, it led the charge. This AI was able to autonomously solve complex hacking challenges that most people spend days or even weeks tackling. It understood the tasks, generated strategies, wrote and executed code, and delivered successful results faster than many expert teams. And it did all this with minimal human input, just simple natural language instructions. Just think about that. An AI that can read a prompt like "find the vulnerability in this code" or "exploit this server" and actually do it successfully. In the past, that kind of skill was reserved for the best of the best in cybersecurity. But now, it's sitting inside a machine that doesn't sleep, doesn't forget, and learns faster than any human can. This isn't just a major leap in AI development, it's a complete redefinition of what machines are capable of in the digital battlefield. Now, let's put this into perspective. Cybersecurity isn't just about keeping our emails and bank accounts safe. It's about defending entire infrastructures, power grids, financial systems, hospitals, even military networks. For years, cybersecurity has been a cat-and-mouse game between hackers and defenders. With every new attack, defenses evolve. With every new defense, hackers find new ways in. But now, AI like Claude might tip the balance, because it's not just a better defender, it's also a better attacker. That's right, this AI isn't only good at patching security flaws, it's also capable of finding and exploiting them. It can simulate how a malicious hacker might think, then use that knowledge to help organizations protect themselves better. Think of it as training with a super intelligent opponent, one who never makes the same mistake twice and knows every trick in the book. Of course, this raises massive ethical questions. What happens if this kind of technology falls into the wrong hands? What if a malicious actor gains access to an AI that's better at hacking than any human alive? This is why researchers and developers are being extremely cautious. Anthropic and other AI companies are putting strict guidelines and safeguards in place to ensure this technology is used for good. But even with those precautions, we're entering uncharted territory. Because once an AI can understand and manipulate digital systems better than humans, the very nature of cybersecurity changes. Let's take a moment to appreciate what this AI actually does. It doesn't just memorize code or repeat patterns. It understands, it reasons, it interprets cryptic binary data, recognizes system architectures, and makes decisions that reflect deep problem solving. In other words, it behaves like a human hacker, only faster and more precise. The implications go far beyond cybersecurity competitions. This technology could be used to proactively identify vulnerabilities in public infrastructure, audit software at lightning speed, or even simulate large-scale cyber attacks to test national defenses. Companies could use it to strengthen their products before they even go live. Governments could use it to predict and prevent digital threats before they happen. And here's the part that's really mind-blowing. Claude didn't need to be explicitly programmed for every task. It learned how to solve problems by interacting with massive amounts of data and following natural language prompts. This means that similar AI models in the future might be able to adapt to completely new types of hacking challenges with little to no retraining. The efficiency and scalability of AI like this is something humans simply can't match. While a team of experts might spend days on a single security audit, an AI could perform hundreds of them simultaneously. And while human experts require sleep, breaks, and recovery, AI works 24/7 without ever slowing down. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Claude isn't the only AI in the game. Other companies like OpenAI and Google DeepMind are also exploring the intersection of AI and cybersecurity. But what Claude has demonstrated is a first-of-its-kind breakthrough, a working model that performs like an elite hacker in real-world scenarios. It's a glimpse into a future where cybersecurity is not just enhanced by AI, it's dominated by it. Still, it's not all perfect. These AI systems can make mistakes. They can misinterpret prompts. They can even suggest unsafe actions if not properly guided. That's why human oversight is still critical. But even with these limitations, the trajectory is clear. AI is becoming an indispensable tool in the world of cybersecurity. The professionals working in the field are watching closely. Many are excited about what this means for defense. Others are cautiously optimistic, knowing that with great power comes great responsibility. But one thing is certain, this changes everything. The game has shifted from human versus human to human plus AI versus AI plus human, and eventually, perhaps AI versus AI. It's a digital arms race unlike anything we've seen before. The emergence of an AI that can out-hack hackers is both thrilling and unsettling. It represents the cutting edge of machine intelligence, but it also forces us to ask hard questions about trust, control, and security in a world where digital threats are evolving faster than ever. If you're wondering whether this will impact you, it already is. Companies you use, apps you download, services you depend on, they're all starting to implement AI tools like Claude behind the scenes. You might never see it directly, but it's working quietly, scanning for threats, patching systems, and keeping everything running smoothly. So the next time you log into your favorite app or transfer money online, remember, it may not be a human defending your data anymore. It might be an AI, and in many cases, that's actually a good thing. Because if machines are going to fight our digital wars, we'd rather have the best ones on our side. Welcome to the era where AI doesn't just assist cybersecurity, it is cybersecurity. And this is only the beginning.